What's up, guys? In this video, we'll talk about how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. So let me give you two equations to work with. So here are the two equations. It's helpful if you choose different colors, two different colors to graph these two different lines. So I chose pink for the first one and then the green. And notice the first equation in pink, we have y equals mx plus b. We need to, in order for you to graph the line, remember we need to put it in something called the y equals mx plus b. I want to change this equation, the second equation, into y equals mx plus b. In order to do that, I need to make sure that my y is isolated. So I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. 4x cancels out, bring down the 2y, mx plus b, negative 4x plus 10. I still don't have my y by itself. I have to divide the 2. If I divide on one side, I have to divide all the terms on the right side as well. So I get y alone finally, and I get negative 2x plus 5 as my second equation. So I'm going to be graphing this line, and I'm going to graph this line. In order to graph these two, we need to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Slope here is 4. Y-intercept is negative 1. Slope in this line is negative 2. Y-intercept is 5. So let's graph using those information. That's pretty straight. So my first line, I have a slope of 4, y-intercept of negative 1, mx plus b. So where do I start? I start at negative 1. So that's my starting point. My slope is 4, which means I have to put a little 1 over. So I'm going to go up 4 over 1 or down 4, left 1. So I have going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1. I can do one more if you wanted to, and then I could go down over 1. When you're graphing systems, you must graph at least 3 to 5 points or until the two lines intersect. So they must intersect. So let's try graphing this. Let's graph the next line. Y equals negative 2x plus 5. M is equal to negative 2. My y-intercept, my slope is negative 2. My y-intercept is 5. So I start at 5. Then I use my slope, negative 2, which is over 1. I go down to over 1 to the right, because it's positive, or the opposite direction. So let's go down to over 1 to the right, down to over 1 to the right. And notice I already have an intersection. So this is where they intersect. This is my solution. So 1, 3, coordinate 1, 3 is my solution. If you want to double check whether your x and y, your 1, 3, your solution is correct, you can plug 1, 3 back into both of these two equations and see if they work for both of them. And that's it for today in this video. I hope that this was helpful. I'll see you next time.